Hey, let's talk about some food. Comment down below what are some of the food items that you think that actually benefits you in different ways. Friends, food can highly affect your concentration and can also help you score better in your exams. Don't believe me? Well, research has actually shown that students who eat a good amount of healthy food performed better in their learning abilities and grasping power as compared to those who compromised on their eating habits. By healthy food, I mean some good amount of proteins, calcium, fiber, etc. Ever wondered why and what those food items are? Stay with us till the end. Let's get started. Eggs and almonds for better mood and memory. Every student goes through various emotions even as they are studying. It may be a lot of pressure since your exams are coming up and you don't know what to study, how much to study. You may also feel that you're studying way too much but you cannot remember anything for a longer period of time. One of the ways to battle this is to of course watch our top best videos for doing better in your exams, but the other thing that will also influence is your food intake. Talking about almonds first, well, almonds are rich in vitamin B6, which is also known as pyridoxine, that helps in improving the metabolism of proteins, and these help in increasing the availability of proteins for the brain cell repair, which in turn promotes the production of neurotransmitter chemicals that further improve communication between brain cells. To say it in a much simpler way, almonds help your brain to remember things for a longer period of time. Well, not just vitamin B6, but it also contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is responsible for slowing down the aging of cells, such as those in the brain, that impacts your memory. That means you'll be able to remember what you have studied in a much better way. So, try and at least have 4 to 5 almonds a day to improve your memory power. Eggs. Eggs have a lot of healthy nutrients, especially the egg yolk. The yolk is a good source of choline, which is associated with promoting brain function like maintaining memory and communications between brain cells. So remember to always have eggs and do not forget the egg yolk. Oranges for better cognitive thinking, that is your intellectual thinking. The most needed things during your study sessions are your grasping power, your ability to increase your intellectual thinking. There are also times where you feel like others are way better than you in terms of your intellectual level. But hey, the orange comes to the rescue. The intake of orange helps in maintaining the blood flow to the brain, and due to this, you may have amazingly positive effects on the cognitive thinking of your brain. And cognition means your intellectual thinking. So every time you get stuck in understanding a concept that you were taught it to be, have some oranges. Leafy greens for better memory and good sight. Ever felt like everything that you're reading suddenly starts getting a bit blurred? Well, this is because your body doesn't have a lot of intake of the leafy vegetables. Yes, I know I may sound like your mom, but to be honest, she's absolutely right. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, broccoli are rich in many aspects of brain-healthy nutrients. One of the examples is the lutein. Lutein is something which is excellent in helping your eyesight. And of course, with better eyesight while studying, you will also be good at focusing and concentrating. Bonus tip: have a good amount of water for better concentration. How? Well, your brain cells have the capacity to operate normally when they have the proper amount of water. This is because the human brain is made about 75% of water. But surprisingly, it has no ability to store any of the water that it uses. And hence, our brains require a constant flow of the liquid to carry out every function, including short-term and long-term memory retention. So, if we have less water, our brain cells cannot function, which in turn affects the brain's ability to maintain concentration and memory. Hence, every time you sit for your study sessions, have a bottle of water right next to you. So this was some information regarding your food intake. Also, check out our top playlist, something that I mentioned earlier. Until then, goodbye.